Good morning everyone. Welcome to History and Civics class for class 7. Today we are going to start a new lesson of history, lesson number 2, Rise and Spread of Islam. Let's discuss the key concepts of the lesson. The key concepts of the lesson are introduction of the lesson, pre-Islamic times, conditions in Saudi Arabia, birth of Prophet Muhammad, early life teachings and 5 basic principles of Islam, migration of the Prophet Muhammad to Medina Hijrat, Prophet Muhammad's return to Mecca and Medina, two holy places for Muslims, death of the Prophet Muhammad and beginning of Caliphate, spread of Islam, the Abbasid and Umayyad dynasties. The learning outcomes of the lesson are children will be able to understand, trace the emergence and spread of Islam in Saudi Arabia, discuss the basic principles and teachings of Islam, report on observations related to some other beliefs and practices, appreciate a humanitarian approach as the basis of all the religions. Terms to be discussed in this today's video: monotheistic, the doctrine that there is only one God. Prophet, a person regarded as an inspired proclaimer of the will of God. Revelation, the divine disclosure to humans. Codify, to arrange into a systematic code. Archangel, an angel of greater than ordinary rank. Adherent, someone who supports a set of ideas. Affluence, an abundance of valuable possessions or money. Rise and spread of Islam. Islam as the religion of the Muslims. Islam is a monotheistic and is the world's second biggest religion with over 1 billion followers worldwide. Monotheistic means a belief in one God, referred to as Allah, which means God in Arabic. The word Islam means submission to the will of God. Followers believe that Allah sent a number of prophets to teach mankind how to live according to His law. Abraham, Moses, and Jesus are all respected as prophets. Prophets means religious teachers. Muslim, the followers of Islam, believe that Islam was revealed to Muhammad, the final prophet and founder of Islam around the year 622. Saudi Arabia, the birthplace of Muhammad and the Islamic religion. Saudi Arabia lies in the Arabian Peninsula. Here the peninsula word means the land surrounded by water from 3 sides. As you can see in the picture, the Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west, the Arabian Sea in the south, and the Persian Gulf in the east. The Arab kingdoms was interconnected with the 3 continents of Asia, Africa, and Europe. It was the beginning of the 7th century CE that the Arabian Peninsula witnessed the emergence of a new religious order known as Islam. Islam particularly spread in North Africa, the Middle East, and the parts of Africa. The teachings of Prophet Muhammad, which were supposed to be the words of Allah, has been compiled in Quran, which is the holy book of Muslims. Let's read and discuss more about rise and spread of Islam. Islam is the religion of Muslims. It is a monotheistic. Monotheistic means doctrine that there is only one God. Revealed through Muhammad as a prophet means religious teacher to Allah. It was founded in the Arabian Peninsula in the 7th century AD. Now Islam is the professed faith over 1 billion people all over the world. Islam particularly spread in North Africa, Middle East, and the parts of Asia. The ritual observances and moral code of Islam were said to have been given to Muhammad as a series of revelations, means divine disclosure to humans. These revelations were codified. Codified means arranged in a systematic order in the Quran. The Quran comprises 114 units of varying length known as surahs. The first surah is said as a part of the ritual prayer. These surahs touch upon all aspects of human existence. The Quran in detail we will study further in this chapter, and I have already discussed this paragraph through introduction in the beginning. Let's continue with the reading. Pre-Islamic times, conditions in Saudi Arabia. The Arabs were divided into several tribes or kabilas. Each kabila was led by a chief who was chosen partly on the basis of his family and connections. However, the main point of choosing the chief was his personal courage, wisdom, and kindness. The Arab tribes were made up of clans. Sometimes unrelated clans also merged to make a Kabila, comparatively strong. The nomadic pastoralist Bedouin tribes inhabited in Arabian Peninsula before the rise of Islam around 7th century. Family groups called clans formed larger tribal units. The Arabs were divided into several tribes or kabilas. Each kabila was led by a chief who was chosen on the basis of his family or from his personal courage, wisdom, and kindness. Sometimes other clans or tribes also connected to make the kabila stronger. Each kabila had its own god or goddess. They used to worship the same as an idol in a shrine mosque. Many Arab kabilas were nomadic or Bedouin, in search of food and fodder. Fodder means food of animals. They moved from dry to green regions, oases. Oases here are a place in a desert where underground water comes to the surface of the earth. Most Arabs were wandering camel herdsmen. They lived off the milk of their animals and the produce like dates means khazur that was grown in a desert oasis. Each kabila had its own god or goddess. They used to worship that god or goddess same as an idol in a mosque or shrine. As the tribes of Arab were nomadic or Bedouin, they moved from one place to another in search of food and fodder, from dry regions to green regions, oases. They used the milk of the animals as a source of money, and dates were grown in the desert oases to earn profit. In the second half of the 6th century AD, many Arabs began to settle in cities and started agriculture or trade. Mecca was the most prominent, means important city, and was situated on the crossroad of a trade route between Yemen and Syria. The Meccan shrine was the sanctuary, means a place of safety, where the violence was not allowed. Here protection was provided to all the visitors. In second half of the 6th century, Arabs began to settle in the cities and started trade and agriculture. Mecca was the important city situated on the trade route between Yemen and Syria. The Mecca shrine was a sanctuary, means a place of safety for visitors where violence was not allowed. Islam was founded in 7th century AD in the Arabian Peninsula. Its expansion in Arabia has been termed as the greatest political revolution ever to take place in the history of the ancient world. The Islamic community has its roots in a more unified and united past, which spread out approximately 1400 years ago in Arabian Peninsula. Presently, Islam is a professed faith of over a billion people worldwide. In about AD 610, the archangel, the angel greater than the ordinary rank, Gabriel, brought messages to Muhammad. The first word that he spoke was recite, era, from which the word Quran has come. The ritual observances and the moral code of Islam was said to have been given to Muhammad as a chain of revelations, means divine disclosure to humans, which were codified in Quran. The community of Islam has its roots in the past, which spread out in the Arabian Peninsula. Islam was founded in the 7th century AD in the Arabian Peninsula. Presently, Islam is a professed faith over a billion people worldwide. Archangel Gabriel brought messages of God to Muhammad. Muhammad was chosen by God to spread the messages of Islam. The revelation of Islam were codified, means arranged in a systematic order in Quran. So Quran is considered as a holy book of Muslims. Let's continue with the reading. Islam is considered by its adherents, means someone who supports a set of ideas, as the last of its revealed religions, and Muhammad is seen as the last of the prophets. Islam is the monotheistic faith and the religion of Muslims. The word Muslim means one who submits to God. Muhammad's teachings became very popular, and the religion propounded by him came to be known as Islam. His followers, or those who followed the religion Islam, came to be known as Muslims. And the word Muslim means one who submits to God. Kaaba is a square stone building in the center of the great mosque at Mecca, the site which is the most holy to Muslims. and towards which they must face when praying. It stands on the site of a pre Islamic shrine. It is said to have been built by Abraham, and a sacred black stone is set in the southeastern corner. The Kaaba. In the 5 daily prayers, Muslims face the Kaaba in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is a cube-shaped stone structure that was built by Prophet Abraham and his son Ismail on the same foundation where Prophet Adam is believed to have built a sanctuary for the worship of one God. Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. It serves as a focal point for Muslims around the world, unifying them in the worship and symbolizing their common beliefs, spiritual focus, and direction. Interestingly, the inside of the Kaaba is empty. The black cloth or kiswa, the structure was installed in the 7th century and it's replaced annually. Makkah is a city in western Saudi Arabia. It is an oasis town in the Red Sea region of Hejaz, east of Jeddah, considered by Muslims to be the holiest city of Islam. Arabic name is Makkah. Makkah is the birthplace in c. 570 of the Prophet Muhammad. It was the scene of his early teachings before his immigration to Medina in AD 622, the Hijrah. It became the center of new Muslim faith in AD 630. It is a site of the Great Mosque and Kaaba. Makkah is a center of Islamic rituals including the Hajj pilgrimage, which leads thousands of visitors to city each year. Makkah is a city in the west of Saudi Arabia. It is the capital of the province of Makkah. Hajj is a pilgrimage held during the 12th month of the Muslim calendar called Dahu al-Hijjah. Muslims from around the world visit Makkah. Makkah's significance in the Muslim calendar is rooted in his annual rituals. A significant place for Muslims as this is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, believed to be where the Quran's revelations took place, considered as the holy city for Muslim believers and the Islam faith. Pilgrimages to the city are mandatory for every able-bodied Muslims. Presently, it is estimated that more than 16 million Muslims pay a pilgrimage to Makkah annually during the Hajj period. Plays a significant role in the faith of Muslims in fulfilling the 5 pillars of Islam, which also includes Hajj. Medina is a city in the western Saudi Arabia around an oasis some 320 km north of Mecca. Medina was the refuge of Muhammad's infant Muslim community from its removal from Mecca in AD 622 until its return there in 630. It is the Muhammad's burial place and the site of its first Islamic mosque, constructed around his tomb. It is considered by Muslims to be second holy city after Mecca, and a visit to the Prophet's tomb at Medina often forms a sequel to the formal pilgrimage to Mecca. Arabic name is Al-Madinah. Al-Masjid an-Nawawi is a mosque established and originally built by the Prophet Muhammad. This mosque was the second mosque built after Masjid Quba, which was built during his journey to Medina from Mecca. It is also known as Prophet's Mosque. It is one of the largest mosques in the world. This mosque is the second holiest site in Islam after the Al-Masjid Al-Haram in Mecca. It is always open regardless of date or time. Prophet Muhammad migrated from Mecca to Medina and settled down there. Soon after his arrival in Medina, Muhammad and his companions built the mosque. It was a very simple and a modest structure measuring not more than 98 feet by 115 feet. Prophet Muhammad was born in 570 CE. He belonged to the Hashim clan of Quraysh tribe. Muhammad's parents died at early age and he was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. Abu Talib was a trader, a businessman, and Muhammad accompanied him in his business trips to faraway lands. He traveled with his uncle for trading business. It was during his travels that he came in contact with Christians and Jews. At the age of 25, he married a rich widow named Khazida and raised a family. His wife Khazida was one of his first followers. It is said that in 610 CE, Prophet Muhammad has an intense spiritual experience and Archangel Gabriel revealed the Quran to Prophet Muhammad. Then he declared that he was the messenger of the Supreme Being, Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, birth and early life of the Prophet Muhammad. The Prophet Muhammad, founder of Islam, was born at Mecca in AD 571. He was orphaned at an early age and he was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. Abu was a trader and Muhammad accompanied him in his business trips to faraway lands. Muhammad's own tribe was Quraysh. At the age of 25, he married a rich widow named Khazida and raised a family. As Muhammad grew older, he lost his interest in trading and turned towards spiritualism. In AD 610, when he was 40 years of age, while meditating in a cave on a Mount Hira near Mecca, the Archangel Gabriel revealed the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad. In c. 612, Muhammad declared himself to be the messenger of Rasul of God. The Prophet Muhammad preached the worship of single God, Allah. This was origin of Islam. Muhammad preached that Allah alone should be worshipped. The worship involved simple rituals and moral principles. Muhammad founded a community of believers called Ummas. Muhammad founded a community of believers which is known as Ummas. They were bound by a common set of religious beliefs. The followers of religion of Islam were called Muslims. The religion founded by Muhammad was called Islam, and the followers who follow the religion of Islam were known as Muslims. The Quran. The Quran is a sacred Islamic book. According to the Muslim tradition, the Quran is a collection of revelation messages which God Allah sent to the Prophet Muhammad between AD 610 and 632. The Quran is a book in Arabic. It is divided into 112 surahs. Chapters are arranged in a descending order of the length, the shortest being the last. The first surah, which is a short prayer, Al-Fatiha, is the only exception to this. These surahs touch upon all aspects of human existence, including matters of doctrine, social organization, and legislation. The Holy Quran, a complete code of life. It is divided into 114 surahs or chapters, and each chapter consisting of individual ayat or verses. In total, there are 6348 verses. The surahs are of varying length, consisting of a few lines, while others run for many pages. The longest chapter surahs at Bagharq in 287 verses, while the shortest surahs Al-Kuthar is only comprises of 4. The text has remained unchanged over the past 1400 years. The million of copies of Quran circulated in the world today are all identical, down to a single letter. This is not strange because God says in the Holy Quran that He Himself will guide this book. Surely it is we who have revealed the exposition, and surely it is we who are its guardians. After some time, the Muslim had to face a lot of opposition from the wealthy Meccans. They found the new religion a threat to the status and affluence, means an abundance of valuable possession or money of Mecca. Prophet Muhammad began his new religion with a small group of Meccan followers who had accepted his religious ideas. The Prophet's faith differed largely from the religious practices of Meccans. He met with stiff opposition since he had denounced his traditional beliefs. Migration of the Prophet Muhammad to Medina. In AD 622, Muhammad was compelled to migrate with his followers from Mecca to Medina. Muhammad's journey from Mecca Hijra was a turning event in the history of Islam. The year AD 622 of Muhammad's arrival in Medina marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. It is also known as Hijri calendar. After a series of conflicts, Mecca was conquered in c. 629. This conquest enhanced Muhammad's reputation as a religious preacher and political leader far and wide. At this time, his uncle Abu Talib, who held considerable influence over Mecca, provided him protection, which enabled him to continue spreading his message. After the death of his uncle, Muhammad was forced to move out of Mecca. Muhammad and his followers emigrated to Mecca to Medina. This journey from Mecca to Medina came to be known as Hijra. This marked the beginning of Islamic era, and the Islamic calendar came to be known as Hijri. Within 10 years, Muhammad had gained a considerable number of followers. He was soon able to conquer Mecca. Death of Prophet Muhammad. In AD 632, 2 months after performing the Hajj pilgrimage, the Prophet Muhammad fell ill and died in 632 AD in Medina, present day Saudi Arabia. In a short space of time, Muhammad was able to unite most of the Arabian Peninsula under a new faith Islam. His earliest followers were his immediate family members and friends. Muhammad passed away in 632 AD in Medina, present day Saudi Arabia. By then, almost of the whole Arabian Peninsula had been converted to Islam. Mecca and Medina became important holy places of Muslims. I hope you understood the topic. You are able to solve some exercises. Don't forget to learn the term. I will come with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.